This touring motorcycle is full of innovative engineering, from the renowned smooth 1833cc six-cylinder Goldwing Tour engine to a refined body for added weather protection and a spacious trunk. The latest Goldwing is nearly 90 pounds lighter than the previous generation, making it even more enjoyable to ride on twisty roads. This latest generation aluminum frame is significantly lighter and more compact than previous editions. Advanced die casting allows for refined chassis rigidity, delivering a smooth ride and precise handling. Honda's iconic Goldwing has defined the art of long-distance motorcycle touring. Developed for riders who value trips as much as miles, this platform blends comfort, technology, and performance in a way that only Honda can achieve. A motorcycle's weight distribution is as important to handling as its overall weight. With a horizontally mounted engine, this latest model has the lowest center of gravity in its class, resulting in excellent handling. High-strength aluminum cylinder sleeves help reduce weight, improve cooling efficiency, and reduce engine length. The 73mm cylinder bore and short, high-strength crankshaft also contribute to the compact engine. All models are equipped with a combined anti-lock braking system for excellent stopping power across a wide range of road conditions and traction. The radical double wishbone front suspension delivers exceptional handling and gives the bike a sleek, sporty look. This innovative design alters the wheel path, allowing the engine and rider or passenger to be moved closer to the front wheel. Both the manual and DCT Goldwings feature a reverse function, which is especially useful when maneuvering in sloped parking spaces.